Assalamu alaikum. Day 14. Welcome to Kul and our daily dua.
اللهم أحسن عاقبتي في الأمور كلها وأجرني من خزي الدنيا وعذاب الآخرة واجعل خير أيامي يوم ألقاك.
O Allah, perfect my end in all matters. Protect me from disgrace in this world and punishment in the hereafter, and make the best day of my life the day I meet you. Ameen.
Repeat this dua today, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Kul for daily supplications and reminders.